Turn your ideas into money using Facebook. Welcome to today's guide, where we'll show you how to transform your creative ideas into income with Facebook. Whether you're a beginner or just curious, this is your sign to start using the tools at your fingertips to grow something meaningful and profitable. With over 2 billion active users, Facebook offers unmatched opportunities to connect with people worldwide. It's beginner-friendly, cost-effective, and a fantastic place to establish your brand. Whether you want to showcase products, services, or content, Facebook has the tools to help you succeed. Not only that, but its ecosystem of pages, groups, and ads equips you with the resources needed to reach the audience most likely to support your ideas. It's inclusive and scalable, fitting small startups, side hustles, or seasoned marketers alike. Everything begins with your idea. Is it a product, a service, or content you're passionate about? Think of something that solves a problem, adds value, or entertains your audience. Your idea should be clear and resonate with people's needs or preferences. Next, set your goals. Are you looking for sales, engagement, or brand recognition? Defining your objective early makes the process straightforward and helps keep your actions focused. Remember, clarity is key to winning your audience. Your Facebook page serves as your digital storefront. Create a profile that reflects your brand, includes an easy-to-remember name, and features an appealing profile picture and banner. Use a catchy bio to explain who you are and how you provide value. Groups, on the other hand, build community. If your idea thrives on discussions, sharing tips, or fostering relationships, like fitness or hobbies, start a group instead. It helps create a loyal and engaged audience around shared interests. Content is king on Facebook and can make or break your idea's success. Share posts, videos, and images that inform, entertain, or inspire your audience. Focus on consistency. Post regularly and align your content with your brand's tone and style. Don't forget calls to action, CTAs. Each post or video should encourage viewers to click, shop, or learn more. Keep it conversational and geared towards solving their problems. You're not just selling, you're building trust. Facebook ads are powerful for reaching specific audiences. Start small with a budget that works for you and experiment with different campaigns to see what drives engagement. Use targeting features to reach users based on their location, interests, and demographics. Monitor ad performance through the Facebook Ads Manager to measure what works. Adjust campaigns regularly to optimize spending and maximize results. Ads can take your ideas way beyond your organic reach with just a small investment. Sales aren't just about transactions. They're about relationships. Reply to comments, DMs, and reviews to show your audience that you care. Interact regularly and authentically to create a connection. Remember, a loyal audience becomes your biggest marketing asset. Encourage satisfied customers to leave testimonials or share your posts. User-generated content is extremely valuable and helps spread the word about your brand organically without any extra cost. Don't stop with one idea. Continue exploring ways to grow. Offer add-ons to your products, diversify your content, or start collaboration campaigns with others in your niche. Facebook's platform evolves, and keeping up with new features will ensure your business stays competitive. Scaling doesn't always require massive budgets. Introduce new ideas at your pace. Focus on providing consistent value, and you'll notice organic growth that leads to lasting results over time. Now that you know how to turn ideas into money using Facebook, it's time to take that first step. Create your page, brainstorm your content, or try an ad campaign today. The only limit is your imagination, so don't wait. Start building your profitable Facebook journey today. Have you ever wondered how to make money from your ideas? With over 2.9 billion active users, Facebook isn't just a social media platform. It's a goldmine of opportunities for aspiring entrepreneurs. The key is knowing how to leverage its resources to build and grow your business. Facebook offers everything you need: the ability to showcase your product, connect with your ideal audience, and scale your operations with powerful tools like ads and groups. By mastering these, you can turn your creative ideas into reliable streams of income. Every great business starts with an idea. The first step is identifying one that solves a problem or meets a demand. Think about your passion, skills, or the gaps you've noticed in the market. These insights can guide you to a product or service people are eager to buy. To start earning, you need a strong online presence. Begin by creating a professional and engaging Facebook page for your business. Use a catchy name, high-quality visuals, and a clear description explaining who you are and what you offer. Your page should reflect credibility and invite visitors to trust you. Post regularly with a mix of content, from behind-the-scenes updates to testimonials and promotional offers, to keep your audience engaged. Organic reach can take you so far, but Facebook ads supercharge your results. These ads allow you to target your ideal customers based on their location, interests, and behaviors, ensuring your message reaches the right people. Start small with ad testing. Focus on showcasing the specific value of your product and utilize compelling visuals or videos to grab attention. Track your ad performance and adjust as needed to optimize your ROI. Facebook groups are thriving communities full of potential clients. Join groups where your target audience hangs out, but don't just spam promotional messages. Engage genuinely by providing valuable insights and answering questions. Over time, this builds your credibility and attracts interested customers who see you as an expert in your niche. You could even create your own group as a hub for your brand. The tools to achieve financial freedom are literally at your fingertips. Don't wait for the perfect time. Start now. Use Facebook to market your ideas, connect with your audience, and take steps to create the income you've always dreamed of. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, Clever Money Ideas. Thanks for watching.